Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dennis from Spotahome. Today we will see this apartment which is situated in Valencia, okay? So as we'll see, it is a fully furnished apartment. It is fully equipped. Also decoration is really on point and also really modern. So that's always a plus, okay? So the apartment is distributed as follows. We got 4 bedrooms, we got 2 bathrooms, we got 1 kitchen, and we got a living room, okay? All of which are fully equipped, fully furnished, as we will see afterwards. Also, the neighborhood is really chill to live in, okay? We're attached pretty much to Avenida Prima de Rey, which is a really important avenue of Valencia, okay? Situated pretty much in the entrance area of Valencia. Also, we got all the services that we need, and it is really well connected with the public transport. So yeah guys, let's check it out. Right guys, so we're gonna start a video over here over the entrance space. So as you can see already, we got this kind of square over here, okay? And then we got this open space. We turn to this side and we find a corridor which divides the rest of the apartment. So we're gonna start off first of checking out the entrance. So as we can see, we got the main door over here in this white tone, okay? Then we see over here this piece of furniture which is attached to the wall. It is pretty useful to leave our coats or whatever kind of clothes we need, to have it just besides the main entrance. So is this mirror which is situated pretty much in a straight line over here. Okay, so this is super useful. So now we're going to turn over here to our right hand side to find the rest of the entrance. So as we just mentioned, we got this open space over here, and we go forward and we find this picture first of decorating the wall. Then if we turn to the left, we find the corridor that we just mentioned. Okay, so first off, we're going to check out bedroom number 1, which goes in a straight line from the entrance, as we can see. Okay, so we got over here in this letter A, or bedroom number 1. So you can see over here we find its own key. Okay, so each of the 4 bedrooms is equipped with this kind of lock over here, so that's super important. And we're going to check out the bedroom. So we find a desk over here with a chair and a light. Then we got a picture decorating the wall in the side. Okay, attached to this wall pretty much we find a single size bed over here. Okay, so we got bed linen and some cushions. We also got this kind of shelf which is pretty useful if we want to leave some things. In this wall also we find a window behind this door, and we got these views of this interior patio. Okay, and now if we turn to this side, we find this standalone wardrobe which is pretty big and pretty useful to store our clothes. We're just going to check it out briefly in the inside. Okay, so as you can see, plenty of space for storage. Okay, so now we're going to go out of bedroom number 1, and we find this piece of furniture which is attached to the wall over here. Okay, if we go in a straight line, we turn to the right and we find bedroom number 2, or bedroom B. Okay, so we mentioned equipped with our own key. And as we see, we got this double-sized bed with some bed lining included and some cushions over here. We got a picture decorating the side of the wall. If we turn to this side, just besides the bed, we find a table with a light and 2 drawers down in the bottom side. Just on top of this table, we find a window which is pretty big. And as you can see, even though we got this interior patio view, we have a lot of light coming in from the outside. Now we turn to this side, we find a desk with a light, a chair, and 2 drawers to the right hand side. And to top of the bedroom, we find this wardrobe. Okay, same kind of wardrobe we just saw from bedroom number 1. We're just going to check it out over here. Okay, so plenty of space for our clothes storage. And also attached to the wardrobe, we find this mirror. Okay, so now we're going to go to the bathroom, which is pretty much over here from the bedroom number 2. Notice also we got a step over here. So we go up the step and we find the sink. Okay, we got a mirror just on top of the sink. We got a pretty cool pattern decorating over here at the wall. Then we got this corner, and we got the shower in this right corner. Okay, so fully equipped bathroom 2. Now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna follow the corridor, and we're gonna turn to the left where we find the kitchen. Okay, so pretty cool kitchen. Okay, it's really nicely settled over here in this space. And as we can see, we got the fridge, pretty modern. We got a washing machine over here. We got a sink. We got a window with some interior patio views. Then over here in the top side we find a lot of space for storage. And over here we got our cooking fires, we got a kettle, we got a coffee machine, we got this oven over here, and more space for storage down in the bottom. Okay, so now I'm gonna continue through the corridor, and we find over here the living room. Okay, but first off we're gonna check out bedroom number 3 or bedroom number C, which we find over here attached to the living room. So we go inside. Okay, and we find over here double-sized bed lining included with some cushions. We got a picture really nicely decorating this wall. If we turn over here, we find standalone wardrobe, same kind of wardrobe we just seen from the other bedrooms. We find a table with 2 doors and a light on the top. If we turn over here, we find a window with some interior patio views and this door. We got a mirror, and we got a desk with a chair and a light over here. Okay, so full equipped bedrooms overall. And now we're gonna head into the living room as we just mentioned. So we find television attached really nicely over here to this wall. We got a spare chair situated in this corner. And if we turn over here, we find a couch. Okay, with the lights too. We got a pretty big picture decorating really nicely this living room. Then we got a table surrounded by 3 chairs. Okay, I'm gonna check it out over here. And then we find the last parts of the apartment, which is the bathroom over here, attached to this living room we just saw. So we got the space over here. We got a window. If we turn to this side, we find the sink, a mirror on the top, some space for storage down in the bottom, and to this corner we find the shower. Okay. Now we're gonna visit the last part of the apartment, which is bedroom number 4. We got it over here. Okay, and we find this single-size bed attached to this wall. We got a light really nicely settled over here in the wall. We got some cushions. To the side, we find a window with this door where we got this interior patio views. Okay, then we got this picture decorating the wall. And if we turn to the other side, we find a standalone wardrobe. We got a desk with a chair and a light over here, and some extra space down in the bottom. Right guys, this has been the visit for today. This has been Dennis from Spotahome. Hope you really enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.